white man's game. All right, get that through your thick monkey skull.
Goddamn thing I can do about it.
You can get out there and hit. You can get on base and score. Everybody needs you. You're medicine, Jack.
You don't belong here. You never will. Give me something I can hit. Want it? Be afraid of.
Be careful what you ask for, boy.